mushroom masala, I have taken 200 grams of mushroom which I cut like this. 2 medium sized onion which I roughly chopped. I grated the ginger like this. Some garlic cloves, green chili, capsicum, tomato and coriander leaves for garnishing. So let's start the recipe. Taken a pan, put the oil into it. Then I give these whole masalas into it: cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Some cumin seeds. Lightly fry this. Then add ginger, garlic and finely chopped onion into it. You can also use ginger and garlic paste, but I have not. I have grated the ginger. Cook the onion till it becomes golden brown. So now the onions are becoming nice golden and brown. Now I am adding 2 green chilies, capsicum chopped and roughly chopped tomatoes into it. Mix it properly until the tomatoes become soft. We have to cook it in low to medium flame. So now you can see the tomatoes are become nice and mushy. Now I am gonna add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder. Now I am gonna mix this well. Now I am adding the mushrooms in it. Mix it very well. At this point you can see I cannot add any water, but mushroom itself releases so much moisture, so I can't give water into it now. So now I am covering the pan with a lid. It's been cooked 10 minutes in a medium flame. So now you can see the mushrooms itself releases water. If you want more gravy, then you can add water a little bit. I am adding little bit of water. At this point I am adding some garam masala powder. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. The mushroom masala is ready to serve hot.